This is the 20th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is the harder set of math questions. And it's saying that the system has no solution. When it has no solution, the slopes are equal. So the easiest thing to do here is to plug it into Desmos. And when you plug each equation into Desmos, it gives you a slider. Click on the R for the slider. And when you slide it back and forth, the lines are never parallel. Remember, when there's no solution for a linear equation, the lines are parallel. So you've got to expand the range that you could slide. And what you notice is that, well, actually from here, at negative 34, it looks like they're about parallel. If you zoom out, make sure they're still parallel, still parallel, still parallel. Negative 34 is your answer. Alternatively, if you did it by hand, then you've got to isolate the y for both equations and then find what the slope is and then set slope equal. In Desmos, you would put it negative 16 over r. Instead of the equals, you put the tilde, and then 48 over 102, and that will also give you your answer. To see the full-length video, check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to Playlist Test 2 Module 2B, number 20. The longer videos are just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.